As you've probably seen, Ford has a commercial showing that you can power your home with your new Powerboost, but they don't really give us any information on how to do it. People would normally use a portable generator to power their home, so they think they can do it the same way with this truck, but that's not the case. Most smaller generators, 15 kilowatts and smaller, are floating neutral or unbonded. The Powerboost generator on the F150 has a bonded neutral. This seems to be causing a lot of confusion out in the industry. There is a movement to require all generators to be bonded neutral generators, which would require 3-pole transfer switches. You need to switch the grounded conductor with a 3-pole transfer switch. Provided you have 4 wires, from the transfer switch to the truck, a fault back to the truck generator would follow the equipment grounding conductor, or EGC, back to the truck, to the system bonding jumper already installed by Ford, which is the generator neutral bond, to return the fault current back to the generator. Your system is still grounded by the grounding electrode conductor connected to the house service equipment. You are just disconnecting the grounded conductor and main bonding jumper with a 3-pole transfer switch and using the bonded neutral system of the generator to ground the system and the EGC to ultimately connect to the EGC back at the service. People are cutting corners by cutting the cord or cutting prongs off the cords, and that's just not safe to install. In this video, I'll show you how to do it the cheapest way that I have found and get it done right. If you're looking to power your home with your Powerboost, you will need to install a 3-pole transfer switch. The generator interlock will work with normal generators, but will not work with this truck. I will be removing this generator interlock to prevent customer confusion, because the transfer switch will be all he needs. I will have to remove the green screw from the neutral bar and separate grounds and neutrals, because this is going to be a sub-panel from now on. The service will be outside of the garage at our transfer switch. Okay, so now you'll see I have reconfigured the service. I refed the existing panel in the garage, and this is what it looks like. Up here is the line side of the transfer switch from the meter, and this is where I am bonding the neutral in the ground, just as it was before in the panel, but now I've moved it out here to the top of the disconnect. This green wire is representing our main bonding jumper for what was previously the green screw that we removed in the inside panel. Our neutrals and grounds are separated in the panel. These are the generator outlet wires for a generator, but in this case, from the truck. And these wires down here are our load wires going into the panel inside. You can see we are breaking the 2 ungrounded conductors and the grounded conductor. This is what you have to do to make this truck power your home. I keep saying transfer switch because we're using it as a transfer switch, but really it's a 3-pole double throw disconnect. So you can see that we are powering the house here, and it's only drawing 500 watts or so. If you watch closely, you'll see the pool pumps start to kick on, and I will be powering a home and pool off of this truck.